What's going on, guys? Dustin at Carver Hobby with our second and final break of the night. It's 2014 Topps Triple Threads Football. It's a 3-box break. Today is January 13th, 2015. Going to go ahead and read off our teams and owners. Starting off on top with April with the Broncos, Bradley with the Bengals and Seahawks, Brian D with the Giants, Brian R with the Steelers, Butch with the Redskins, Charles with the Eagles, Charlotte with the Cowboys, Eric with the Cardinals and Saints, Francisco with the Bears, Jason with the Packers, Joey with the Rams, John E with the Panthers, Chiefs and Jets, John G with the Bills, Josh H with the Dolphins and Titans, Juan with the Chargers, Kamaka with the Raiders, Kevin with the Ravens, Richard with the 49ers, Ryan with the Lions, Texans and Vikings, Sally with the Colts, Scott with the Falcons, Spencer with the Buccaneers, Tim with the Browns, and William T with the Jaguars and the Patriots. There's our lineup, guys. Here's our case. It's sealed. You guys voted beforehand. Only one person voted, so we're doing the final three. In this case, final three boxes in this case. I get the whole thing in there. Oh, down goes my flyer. Knock things all over the place. Alright, guys. There's our case. Sealed and ready for you guys to rip through. So, let's do this. Alright, so the three on the far side are going to be your guys'. Like butter. There we go. So these three are you guys' tonight. The other six are going off this week sometime. 3 on Thursday and 3 next week. So here's our boxes for the night. Topps Triple Threads. Let's do this, guys. Good luck. Here we go, box 1, mini box 1. Half the time in this break is spent getting into these packages. Alright, bring it to the front. Here we go. Starting off, Frank Gore out of 99, 85 of 99. 85-99, Frank Gore for the Niners. Then we've got Kaepernick for the Niners out of 399. 15 out of 399, Colin Kaepernick. So 2 Niners numbered off the bat. And then our base, Jay Cutler, Drew Brees, and Victor Cruz, bases. And our first hit goes to Colts, Dante Moncrief. Triple jersey auto rookie Dante Moncrief, 32 of 50. The red top, 32 of 50. Dante Moncrief for the Colts. So Colts are first on the board, and behind that, we got Geno Smith or Taj Boyd. I'm sorry, Taj Boyd, 5 of 75. Maybe. Come on. Come on. There we go. 5 of 75. 5 of 75. Taj Boyd. We have Taj Boyd and Dante Moncrief in mini box 1. Goes in mini box 2. KSI. Try refreshing. If it comes up black, it means it just hasn't like registered on your screen. You just gotta refresh. Here we go, guys. Mini box 2. All right, Josh Gordon, Browns out of 199. 144, 199. Josh Gordon for the Browns. And then Tom Brady out of 399, 320 out of 399 for the Patriots. Then our base go to Revis, Patriots, Cecil Shorts, Jaguars, and Antonio Brown, Pittsburgh Steelers. First hit, Jimmy Garoppolo, 26 of 75. 26 of 75, Jimmy Garoppolo for New England. Find a Sammy. Let's see what we can do. 26 of 75, New England. Behind that, up and down, we got Deion Sanders. A little vet action for Washington. Deion Sanders, 14 of 27. 14 of 27, Deion for Washington. Sweet hit. Sweet card for Washington. Deion Sanders. Deion Sanders. Washington of all teams. I don't see him in much Washington stuff. It's usually Dallas. So that's kind of cool. That's it for Washington. Mini box 2. Or box 2, mini box 1, I should say. Oh, backwards. Alright, we got Gronk out of 199. 31 out of 199, Gronkowski. Then we got Calvin Johnson out of 399. 259 out of 399 for Detroit. Base cards, Sean Lee, Alshon Jeffrey, and Richard Sherman, our base. Hits, first hit goes to Sweet 101, AJ McCarron 101. Boom! Maybe. I promise it's 101. Come on. 101. A little whitey on the bottom as you see. AJ McCarron 1 of 1. Boom! Sweet. 101. Nice hit for the Bengals. The Bengals on the board with AJ McCarron 1 of 1. Oh my gosh, 1 of 3 underneath. Tom Brady underneath. Another boom. Goodness, what a pack. 1 of 3 Tom Brady. New England. That's sweet. Is the game used? Tom Brady. 1 of 3. Nice hit. It's a nice pack. That was a nice mini box. That mini box was nice. That was a nice one. Here we go. We have Julio Jones, 74 of 99. 74 of 99. And we got Robert Mathis out of 399. 135 out of 399 for the Colts. Robert Mathis. Base cards, Clay Matthews. Pierre Thomas. And Brian Hartline. First hit goes to, jeez, nice one. Paul Richardson, Jordan Matthews, Dante Moncrief, triple relic auto, 10 of 36. Paul Richardson, Jordan Matthews, Dante Moncrief. Let me check ownership on this bad boy real quick. Seattle's owned by Bradley. Eagles are owned by Charles, and the Colts are owned by neither one of you guys. Sally. So this is going to be a random off on random.org and then the breakout. So hang around if you're part of this. Hang around if you're part of this. This will be random off. We have 3 different owners. 10 of 36. Triple relic auto. Sweet. Sweet hit. And we got Devontae Adams out of 50. It's a nice box. 17 of 50. That was a nice box overall. 17 of 50, Devontae Adams. That's a jersey number, too. It's a nice hit for Green Bay. Congrats on that. Jersey number relic of Davante Adams. That was a sweet box, guys. Comes box number 3, guys. Good luck if you're still waiting on something. Don't forget, guys, we're doing the other 3 on Thursday and 3 more next week sometime. Here we go. Out of 199, Demarius Moore for Oakland. $3.99, Jordan Cameron. It's hard to see these. It's so dark. Jordan Cameron at $3.99 for Cleveland. Base cards of Ace Sanders, Jamal Charles, and Arian Foster. Hit goes to Jason Morrow for the Jets. 16 of 99. 16 of 99, Jason Morrow for the Jets. Jersey auto. Under that we have Marcus Wheaton, 5 of 36. Marcus Wheaton for Pittsburgh, 5 of 36. Little nick in the corner. Not bad though. Let's see if focus so you can see it. There you go. I mean, it's not even that bad. It's a little bit. You can see it right there. Marcus Wheaton, 5 of 36. Just want to point it out, so you don't think I did when I was shipping it. Last mini, guys. I expect a decent one in this little mini here. Aaron Rodgers out of 50, 25 of 50, Aaron Rodgers. 25 of 50, Aaron Rodgers. Nice hit. We got J.J. Watt out of 3.99 for Houston. Base cards of Mike Glennon, Tampa Bay, Dez Bryant, Dallas, and RG3, Redskins. All right, guys, last stick cards. Here we go. Sweet Marcus Lee for the Jags out of 99. 3-color patch. 3-color patch, Marquise Lee for the Jags. 6 of 99. 5 of 99, I'm sorry. 5 of 99. For the Jaguars, Marquise Lee. And our last hit goes to Logan Thomas. 6 of 99, jersey number. 6 of 99, Logan Thomas, Arizona, jersey number. Relic. Go over these hits for you guys one more time. We have the Marquise Lee, as you just saw, 99, number 5 of 99, Marquise Lee for the Jags. Logan Thomas out of 99, jersey number, Arizona. Jason Morrow out of 99 for the Jets. Marcus Wheaton out of 36, Pittsburgh. Davante Adams, jersey number out of 50, Green Bay. This is going to be random off at the end, guys, so hang around if you were in the part of this. 10 of 36, Paul Richardson, Jordan Matthews, Dante Moncrief, triple relic auto, triple jersey auto. We got Tom Brady, numbered 1 of 3. 1 of 3, Tom Brady. 1 of 1, A.J. McCarron. 1 of 1, A.J. McCarron. That's a sweet card. We got Deion Sanders out of 27 for Washington. Jimmy Garoppolo out of 75 for New England. Dante Moncrief out of 50 for Indy. And Tosh Boyd out of 75 for the Jets. Alright, guys, let's random off this triple. Give me one moment to get on to random.org. Excuse me. That's where we're randoming off, right there. As per the eBay description, guys, we do random off 5 times. They go in order. Colts will be on top for the first team. Second team is Eagles. And the third team on the card is the Seahawks. Seahawks. Okay, guys, here we go. Make sure you guys see everything on the screen real quick. Here we go. Colts, Eagles, Seahawks. Randomize the list 5 times. Good luck. 1. Colts on top. 2. Colts on top. 3. Eagles on top. 4. Seahawks on top. 4 times, guys. Seahawks on top. 1 more random. Good luck. Again. Eagles on top. Let's go to the Eagles. Eagles on top. List randomized 5 times. Here's your timestamp. 1:14. Eagles, Seahawks, Colts. This is UTC, whatever time zone that is. Eagles, Seahawks, Colts. Eagles on top. Going to the Eagles. So congrats, Jordan Matthews owner. Congrats to the Jordan Matthews owner. You are getting the triple relic auto. Going to the Eagles. All right, guys, that's on the Carver Hobby. Thanks again, guys. I do appreciate it. I'm going to hang around for a couple minutes after the break. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer. If not, thanks for breaking with Carver Hobby, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good night.